Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share the simplest ways to live a healthy lifestyle and many untold secrets that can help us live a healthy life. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 important best things you must do before the bedtime. According to scientists, there are several practices you can adopt before bedtime to improve your sleep quality, facilitate quicker recovery, and promote deeper rest. Allow me to share some scientist suggestions with you. Number 1 on my list. It is essential to engage in reading before sleeping. You may choose to read spiritual texts, motivational literature, or calming and informative material. However, avoid thrillers, comics, or comedic works, as these can stimulate your mind rather than soothe it. Aim for reading that calms both your body and mind, even if only for a few minutes, and strive to make this a nightly habit. Number 2 on my list. Do not overlook the benefits of consuming a cup of milk infused with cardamom and ginger before bed. You can adjust the quantities to suit your taste, but this warm beverage can significantly enhance your sleep quality and help induce a restful slumber. According to the scientists, this milk nourishes the body, which refers to the body's refined reproductive tissue. However, if you experience prostate issues and find yourself waking at night to urinate, it is advisable to consume milk or any liquid at least 3 hours prior to bedtime. The number 3 recommendation involves applying a small amount of oil to the soles of your feet and a bit on your scalp. This practice is soothing and can promote a more restful sleep. The number 4 is to consider dedicating a few minutes to meditate before retiring for the night. A simple method involves sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. That is all for today. Thank you.